Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, I'm revealing the 7 best affiliate networks you need to join in 2024 to skyrocket your earnings. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a goldmine of opportunities at your fingertips. Let's dive in. Affiliate networks connect merchants with affiliates like us, handling tracking, reporting, and payments. Choosing the right networks is crucial for your success, so let's explore the top 7 you should consider in 2024. First up, Amazon Associates. It's perfect for beginners with its vast product selection and brand trust. Commission rates range from 1% to 10%, but conversion rates are high. I earned my first $100 here promoting tech gadgets on my blog. Their 24-hour cookie duration means you need to focus on driving immediate purchases. Pro tip: target products in the 3% to 5% commission range for a good balance of earnings potential and sales volume. Before we continue with the networks, I've got something exciting for you. There is a free affiliate marketing webinar where you can learn advanced strategies to maximize your earnings with affiliate marketing. The link to register is in the description below. Don't miss this chance to take your affiliate game to the next level. Next is ShareASale, offering a wide range of products across various niches. Their user-friendly interface makes finding and promoting offers a breeze. They excel in real-time tracking and reporting, allowing you to see your performance as it happens. I've had success combining multiple ShareASale merchants and themed content, like home office essentials posts featuring products from different retailers. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, is known for high-paying offers and reputable brands. Their deep link automation tool is a game changer, allowing you to create affiliate links for any page on an advertiser's site. To get accepted, focus on building a professional-looking website and be prepared to share your promotion strategies. Their cookieless tracking feature helps capture sales even when cookies are blocked. ClickBank specializes in digital products with commission rates up to 75%. They offer weekly payments, which is great for cash flow. Look for products with high gravity scores, indicating recent successful sales by other affiliates. ClickBank's marketplace is easy to navigate, with detailed analytics for each product. It's an excellent platform for promoting online courses, ebooks, and software. Awin has a global reach with strength in travel, telecommunications, and retail sectors. Their split commission feature is great for content creators who collaborate. Awin's ConvertLink tool automatically turns normal links into affiliate links, saving you time. They also offer cross-device tracking, helping you get credit for sales even if a user switches from mobile to desktop before purchasing. Impact stands out with innovative tracking technology and partnerships with many direct-to-consumer brands. They offer excellent fraud detection and detailed insights into your customer's journey. I found success using their dynamic payout feature, which allows advertisers to reward top-performing affiliates with higher commission rates automatically. Lastly, Rakuten Advertising offers opportunities with high-end and luxury brands. Their deep linking tools are excellent for social media influencers. Rakuten's dynamic commissioning allows for flexible payment structures, including multi-tier commissions and bonuses. They also provide advanced segmentation tools, allowing you to target specific audiences more effectively. For success across these networks, choose ones that align with your niche, start with 2 to 3 and master them, prioritize providing value to your audience, and regularly analyze your performance data. Build relationships with affiliate managers for insider opportunities, and always stay updated on network policies. There you have it, the 7 best affiliate networks for 2024. Each has its strengths, so find the right mix for your strategy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Or better yet, in the webinar. Keep hustling.